so much, and yet, of course, you aspire to bring some more to the table. How are you able to maintain your relevance nowadays? Kasi ang dami-dami ng artista, ang dami baguhan, some are mediocre, some are good looking, and some are good actors.
Wala naman akong like particular formula, but thank you for those nice words. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Yeah, you know, I've been in this industry for a while now. I think mga 10 years na, no? Okay. 10 to 15. But yeah, it's nice that I'm still here, I'm still active, and you know, siguro it's really my passion also for the craft. Being, you know, when I was launched as a young actor, I didn't see this career as just to make money or just to be famous. You know, I really love the craft of making films, the craft of making great TV shows. You know, it's really my passion, and it's really my calling, and you know, I just try to give my best in every project that I do. And you know, I'm thankful that I'm still here, thankful that I'm still given the opportunity to showcase my talent and showcase my craft. And you know, yeah, very, very thankful now.
I don't know if you realize that horror films, most horror films bring about heroes who don't have AIDS. What kind of hero will you project in your episode?
This is unexpected hero. He's the unexpected hero because he didn't want to be in this position. He was just, you know, parang it just happened to him. His character na he just had to survive. Kinailangan niyang lumaban. Kinailangan niyang all of a sudden mag-survive. Kinailangan niyang alagaan yung mga taong nasa paligid niya. Na biglaan, yung kumbaga hindi naman niya intention na maging leader, maging hero, pero unexpectedly, he had to fill in the boots of a hero, and yun ang ginawa.
One last feels like Shade Rattle and Roll have elements of terror and horror. What other elements can you say will add up to the sparkle that a horror film will give?
I think terror, horror, and I think intensity. Our episode, I think, brings some sort of intensity to the whole film. Intensity physically, and I think intensity emotionally. Yeah. Thank you.
Very, very interesting kasi yun about episodes. Ang ganda ng edit, ang ganda ng trailer. Congratulations sa Team Lidong, di ba? Cesar is interested na malaman kasi 2030, right? Yung 2015. Grabe yung mata mo, yung foresight. How was the production daw? Gaano kaganda, gaano kapagigit? Technically, one technical aspect ng pelikula na mabangkag sa 2015 setting.
Alam mo, when we were planning this episode, sabi ko nga sa kanila kay Mr. Sen and kay Keith na ang tapang ng kon na gumawa tayo futuristic. But you know what? I think we did pretty well. The production design team did well. Pag nakita mo yung mga sets namin, pag nakita mo yung locations namin, talagang ang galing, ang ganda. may feel mo talaga yung parang survival in the future na the way the set was designed, you know, the costumes, everything put together, the lighting, and I think we did a good job on executing the 2050 survival concept. Yeah.
That's even more exciting pa naman, di ba?
Yeah.
25 years from now, makikita natin what it's like to be in 2050. Let me just say, my God, Miss NJ Marcori, she's not here today, she has a Hong Kong jacket, but she said her kids. You know, thank you, Miss NJ, wherever you are. Again, so, on behalf of Team Gutierrez, Annabelle, Julali, and Richard, before that, and of course, we can entertainment. Thank you all for coming. We appreciate all your love and support. Kung si Morbu sa promotions po ng Shake and Rock Team Origins. With that request, Richard, to please stand up for the photo off.
Yeah, I just want to say like thank you to everyone who's here today. Thank you for the support to our media partners and to our to the media, to the press. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Salamat din kay Mr. Sel, sa Regal, kay Keith, and to the whole team for organizing this. And I'm very excited for Shake, Rattle, and Roll. And sana isama ng mga tao, buong pamilya nila sa sinihan na yung Pasko at sabay-sabay natin suportahan ang pelikulang Pilipino.
Ang bongga, Char, announce ko yan ha. Ito po press con po ni Ms. Rosette Regal. Additional lang ako na bilan. Pero, magpapapress con po si Annabelle, si Richard at Sarili sa December. At ito na ang catch. Pag nakita ko maganda ang mga sulat, marami kayo nagsulat na okay nilabas nyo, syempre invited po kayo. So, damihan natin ang promo. Diba? So, merong, hindi ko yung i-announce ko na may exciting na naghihintay. Lalo na sa mga maraming isusulat. Malay nyo, magiging raffle entry na isusulat.
Morning, John.
Diba?
Ibang klase sa July, makakatakot, di ba? Richard, please, pasalamatan mo ulit para ma-record nila na and your fans, siyempre, please.
Yes, maraming salamat again sa media, sa press, everyone who's here online, sa mga social media partners natin, ang fans, sa Gutierrez, maraming salamat sa suporta, and of course, kay Regal, thank you so much for this.
And of course, thank you so much. One shot.
Thank you.
Thank you sa Star Magic, si Diane.
Star Magic, of course. My mom is also here. Diane is here. Jun Lalin. Yes. Miss Roselle is here. Thank you everyone for the love and support. Yun, sana po magtulungan tayo para may balik ang sigla ng pelikula Pilipino, especially ngayong Pasko. Thank you everyone.
Merry Christmas, Merry Richard, and the rest of the team of the Paris. Okay, pwede pa magbigay sa video ng few more minutes si Alan Policarpio, inquirer siguro, or who like TV, of course, si Miss MJ and Miss Ana Salezo, hihingi pa siguro ng few more minutes with Richard. Again, thank you, enjoy the rest of the afternoon.